beautiful sea scallops. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are giving them a quick sear and cooking seared sea scallops marinara. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Place a wire baking rack on top and set aside. Before we begin cooking, make sure to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other easy seafood dinner ideas. If you like what you see, subscribe and click on notifications to stay up to date on new videos. Pat scallops dry with a paper towel. This is the foot of the scallop, and we do not want to cook the foot, so remove it. Season one side of the scallops with salt and pepper. Add flour to a shallow baking dish. Also add Creole seasoning and Italian seasoning. Stir until fully combined. Dredge the opposite side of each scallop into the flour mixture. Do you prefer to eat scallops with or without the foot? Tell us. Comment below the video. Over medium-high heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add butter. Once melted, add the scallops. Floured side down. If needed, add more olive oil to the skillet. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side. Transfer scallops to prepared sheet pan, floured side up. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. To put together, place heated marinara sauce on the bottom of a plate. Roughly chop fresh basil and garnish sauce with it. Add scallops to the plate. Cover scallops with more marinara sauce and finish with more fresh basil. Simply yummy. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.